So in today's video, we're going to make an adapter that lets us use our camera on top of this big boy Noga arm. So if you're not familiar with these, this is a magnetic mount dial test indicator. It's normally a machinist tool, but in my opinion, they make a perfect camera rig for inside a metal shop. So the beauty of this, one knob controls every joint in this mechanism. So it gives you the ultimate flexibility. Move it where you want it, tighten it down. And the beauty of the big boy is that it's a 292 pound magnet. So you can move the camera wherever you want, position it, and it'll hold it there. It's this little tumbler switch, and that releases the magnet. So you can actually mount it upside down, any direction, and then spin it around. For this adapter, one side has to be 3/8/16, and the other side, you guessed it, M6, metric. Unclutch your pearls, woman, it has to be done. Alright, excellent fit. Now let's do the other side. I decided to go ahead and use my Caswell black oxide kit. This kit's pretty cool. You can do a massive number of parts with it. I got it off Amazon. I'll link it in the video description below if you want to check it out. Now I also use the oil in the kit to do the final seal to protect the part. As you can see, this thing worked out great. Be sure to subscribe so you can check it out in our next builds.